All right, so let's try this one. I've got 4x minus 4 minus 8x. So what does that mean? Well, when we minus 8x, we're just going to subtract it from the 4x. So this becomes negative 4x minus 4. Thank you. And then let's do another one. We're on a roll. Let's do this one. 9x minus 7 minus 4x minus 11. Now what you could do is you could do this. You could think of like a negative 1 is what we're going to distribute through the parentheses. So negative 1 times positive 4x just makes this negative 4x. And then this negative times negative 11 makes that a positive 11. This doesn't change, but we can get rid of the parentheses. And then we do the same thing. We're just going to combine like terms. 9x minus 4x is what? 5x. Negative 7 plus 11, or you can think of this as 11 minus 7. It's just positive 4. Okay, we got one more problem, then we're done with all of our notes. All right, one more problem, and then we're done. Everybody pay attention. Hang in there till the end. You had to go. So we got negative 3x squared plus x plus 5 minus the quantity 4x squared minus 2x. Again, we want to think of this as a negative 1 that needs to be distributed through the parentheses. That becomes negative 4x squared. Negative 1 times negative 2 is a positive 2x. And then over here, everything else is the same, but we could get rid of the parentheses. Right? And we're going to look for the second degree terms. That means anything that has x raised to the second power. So I've got negative 4x squared over here, negative 3x squared over here, a negative 3 plus negative 4 is negative 7x squared. Next, we're going to look at the x's to the first power. That's an x to the first power. That's an x to the first power. So I've got 1x plus 2x, total of 3 x's. Lastly, we've got this little lonesome constant of positive 5. There we go. We have just completed all of the examples.